Hello, let us continue asking ourselves a few questions regarding the grounded theory. I think one of the first questions, if not the first question that we should be asking, is what is the grounded theory actually? Is it a methodology or is it a set of methods? And in order to reply to this question, what is a methodology in the first place? Well, Corbin and Strauss define a methodology by saying it is a way of thinking about and studying social reality. I would say a methodology is a reflection about what we know, what we can know, and how we should be reaching this knowledge. So, generally said, yes, it is a way of thinking about studying social reality, but it is also a way of thinking about the knowledge that we can actually gain from this social reality. How should we be gaining this knowledge? In contrast to this, a set of methods are procedures and techniques for gathering and analyzing data. Of course, the two sort of methods that we most know are these qualitative methods and quantitative methods, and the approach which is now so fashionable regarding the mixed methods. So, in a way, I think, and I would dare saying, that the methodology comes first. So we first know what it is that which we think we can know, we want to know, and how we want to know it. And then we formulate a question, a research question, which, of course, is deeply related to that way in which we think about knowledge of social reality, that which we think we can know, and it's the best way of getting to know it. And then we formulate that question, and in deep relation to that question we choose the methods with which we will approach that question. So it is never a matter of do I fancy qualitative methods more, or do I fancy quantitative methods more, or would I like to go for the approach of mixed methods? The question is, what is the set of procedures and techniques that allows me best to give an answer to my question? Finally, I have chosen another concept that I would like to discuss with you now, which is the concept of coding. I have chosen coding because coding is essential to the way in which the grounded theory analyzes data. So, the grounded theory gathers whichever data is necessary in order to answer the research question, but when we have already gathered or sought for all those data that we need, we have to analyze the data, which is extremely important. And when we come to analyze the data, the grounded theory proposes to go through three phases of coding in order to fracture and fragment and be able to bring the data together in a different way that will shed light upon our research question and will allow us to create an answer which is appropriate. So the process of coding is an analytic process, so it's data analysis, through which data are fractured, conceptualized, and integrated back to form a theory, which was not there in the original form of, say, interview or focus group transcriptions.